Kentucky State Fair 2021. We've been slanging a lot of flavor out here. We got the biggest booth we've ever had, the best looking booth we've ever had. We've all been out here doing the damn thing. The whole team's been here slanging that flavor with us. Everybody got a taste of doing a show, so it's awesome. Me and Dan are real proud of everybody. I would like to thank everybody that's come down to the State Fair and seen us. Y'all remember, keep sprinkling.
What's up, y'all? We're out here Saturday at the State Fair. Check it out. I'm gonna cook some chicken. Look, check this out. I already got some chicken cooking. We already got our done chicken over here, but I need to get some more chicken cooking because we are rolling through it. It's Saturday at the fair, like I said. Go into my cooler, give me a big old handful of chicken. Then we go in, we line them up just like this. Gotta keep that chicken hot, fresh, and ready. It's all about that hot sample, baby. Check it out, we'll take our glove off. Never touching any chicken. Turn this on, grab our Dano's OG, and we hit with that pop pop, just like this. Pop pop, just like that. Let that start cooking. Let this open up. These chickens are ready. We're gonna grab our little chicken just like that, cut it up. Boom, that's it. Now we get original or spicy. We put them in our little cups. Then we put them on our little trays, and then they go to the table where a toothpick sells them a bottle. It's not even that busy right now, but Saturday at the fair, we got like 12 people in here. There's a couple people gone right now. We need 4 people cutting chicken, sticking chicken, toothpicking chicken. Then we got Toothpick Timmy, Tyler, Kentucky John, everybody out there selling the Danos. That's how you do it.
Come taste the reason we're the #1 seasoning, Dano's Original, taste bud pleasing. Oh, you dropped something. Hey, sir, you dropped. I knew you weren't ignoring me. Now come try the Dano's. You know, I was kind of thinking we shouldn't even be called a seasoning. We should just be called flavor, because that's what we are. We're flavor. Y'all got that? Y'all flavor rich? No way. I love it. Hey, check it out. They're flavor rich. They're flavor rich. You can be too. All you got to do is get you a bottle of Dano's. Sprinkle it on anything you're eating. Enjoy it. Let your taste buds go, hoorah! Yeah! That's flavor! Because that's what your taste buds will do when you eat Dano's.
We're out here trying to find folks who've never had the Dano's seasoning. It's that yum yum get you some.
Doing spicy. Doing original.
It's pretty dang good.
Sprinkle, sprinkle. It's Dano good.
They're loving it. We're sharing the flavor love. Is it damn good, sir? It's damn good. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Yeah.
Is it damn good, sir?
Sure is.
Have your spirits been lifted today? That's what we're here for, folks. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Pretty good.
Sprinkle, 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 spicy. Woo! Is it dang good, sir? Good. Yes, we're changing lives out here, one sprinkle at a time. Our work here is done. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.